Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you would like to know the price, simply click on the link in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we would greatly appreciate it if you would buy a watch at JazzTime.com. Today, I'm going to be reviewing 3 watches, which by the way are all on sale at jazztime.com, JAZTIME.com. I'm going to be reviewing the new 2020 Submariner in white gold, stainless steel with a green bezel, or stainless steel with a black bezel. So these are the only ones that are in white, and I'm not going to review them, I'm going to compare all 3 of them. The one on my left is reference number 126619LB. The center one is also known as the Kermit. It's reference 126610LV, and the one on the right is reference 126610LN. Okay, I'm going to talk to you guys about the bezel, dial, case, movement, bracelet, try them on, and give you my thoughts. Let's dive right in. Now, these, as I said, are the new 2020 Rolex Submariner, which means the difference is now they are all 41 millimeter. Which part is 41 millimeter? That would be from my thumb to my index finger going this direction. That's the diameter. It used to be 40, now it's 41, slightly larger. They have also slimmed down the case. Now these are identical watches, so identical watches in terms of the model. They've slimmed down the case. The case right here where my thumb is pointing where the lug is, it used to be fatter, now it's a little bit skinnier. So even though it's a larger watch, it still wears pretty much like the old 40, except now that the lugs are thinner, it still wears the same because you've compensated for the increased 1 millimeter by slimming down the case. Does that make sense? Okay. Now, I want to give you at least, I don't want to talk about prices because prices change all the time. So what I give you now might not be the same at another point. But just to give you an idea of how much they're worth, the retail price at least, I can say as of 2020 on this one, well, let's just talk about market price because that's more important. The white gold sub is in the 40s and the green sub is in the high teens. Okay, so it's almost double the price. Now you're probably asking yourself, what exactly do I get for paying double the price? Well, let's talk about that. The dial is the same, the case is the same. What is not the same is the bezel. You get a blue bezel as opposed to a green one, which I would think is probably a pretty good thing considering blue matches a lot more than things that are green. Okay, what else do you get? Well, you get gold as opposed to stainless steel. The white gold Submariner is made of gold. Okay, now how do I know that? Aside from it being blue, another way that Rolex indicates that is by showing you the hallmarks on the back, which I'm going to zoom in and see. Hopefully you can see. Do you see that? All right, hopefully you can. Those little dots right there, you can't actually see what they are. I can just tell you what they are. They are hallmarks, and it's also, you see that 750 and at the other leg where my lug where my thumb is pointing, those are hallmarks indicating that this watch is made of a precious metal, that of which is white gold. Okay, they also have it engraved here on the clasp. You can't really see it, you don't really need to see it, but you know it's there, and that indicates that it's made of white gold. Okay, so that's one of the other things. Now in terms of heft or weight, I don't have the exact weight on it. It doesn't really matter, but the white gold one is heavier and the stainless steel one is lighter. So you have the bezel that is different, blue versus green. That's one difference. The material, white gold versus steel, that's also different. Now I want to bring your attention to something else. What do you notice about this? They've made the center links on the white gold one high polish versus satin finish on the stainless steel. You notice that? Although everything's the same, that part is different. I guess that makes this watch look a little bit more shiny. Now, if you look at the side profile, everything else is the same. It still has the same polish, right? Okay. Except the center links are high polish versus satin finish, which is a pretty nice touch if you ask me. I like that. It makes the watch look more shiny, looks a little bit more elegant. It looks like it's, you know, made of white gold and sort of dressier and, you know, fancier as opposed to just plain stainless steel. Okay. Everything else is the same. The movement is a 32-35. The buckle is the same. It's a diver extension. It has 20 millimeters comfort extension. It's not a review. I have a review. If you want to look at the review, simply click on the link in the description below of each one of these. We go through reviews of each one of these But this is a comparison, so that's meant to show you how they look like. Now, in terms of like the whiteness of it, you know, look for yourself. White gold is, how would I describe it? I would say that stainless steel looks a little bit, to me, more dull. Maybe that's just because they high polished this white gold, but the white gold looks more brilliant to me. I'm not sure if that's a good description. I would say actually even the white gold looks, the stainless steel even looks brighter. Okay, I would say it looks brighter. However, I would not say that, but because they high polish the center links on the white gold, it seems to pop more to me. For me, I definitely would like the blue Submariner, although that's a lot of dough. I really can't afford that watch myself, so I wouldn't be buying it. I would settle for the green. In fact, I would be very happy with the green, but if I had that dough to throw around, I definitely would buy the blue one, because if money was no thing, well, why not just get white gold with blue? That's the best one, right? I would figure. Okay, anyhow, so since this is a comparison, I also wanted to show you the difference between green and blue, or green and black. Now, we do have a video, I believe. If we don't, we'll make one, and we'll put in the link below, with a comparison between the black and the green. There's not a whole lot to compare. I mean, basically, it's the bezel. That's it. Not basically, it is. That's the only difference. Everything else is the same. If you want a green bezel, you pay more money. If you want a black bezel, well, you pay less and you don't wait as long. But if you want to buy them anywhere online for the lowest price, please go to jazztime.com, where we sell both of these watches. All right? You see that? Basically, green versus blue. You know what? Green versus black. You know, really no reason to do a comparison video. I mean, it's green. It's black. Which one do you want? You decide. Everything else is the same. Okay. All right. Anyways, thanks. That's the video. Now, guys, if you want to buy this watch or any other watch that we have on our YouTube channel, or for that matter, any other watch that exists, you can buy it at jazztime.com for the lowest price anywhere online. JAZTIME.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page, where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.